Deep. Let's draw a funny-looking dinosaur. First, draw its head. Black. Great! Now draw a smile. Draw a long and big body. Nicely done! And 2 legs. And 2 more legs. Amazing! Draw the spikes on the back of your dinosaur. And now it is time to add a decorative pattern on its body. What a funny dinosaur you have drawn!